Imagine a cab that's as big as you need it. Modern controls with touchscreen and video. Optimized steering for easy infield turns and stable road transport. 360-degree lighting with powerful front lights and a sleek new bonnet. A new powerful engine with up to 409 horsepower with intelligent power management. It's all real and here now. Ride into the future in the new 8R series tractors from John Deere. Ride in comfort in the Command View 2 cab with easy-to-learn command center display. For even more convenience, now also with optional touchscreen and video function. Video triggers automatically display critical procedures. And key settings are password protected. The command center display even has Auto Track installed in base. Ride intelligently with John Deere Agricultural Management Solutions. The integrated guidance system provides 3 different accuracies depending on your needs. About 30 centimeters pass-to-pass accuracy with the SF1 signal. About 10 centimeter accuracy with the SF2 signal. Or 2 centimeter repeatable RTK signal accuracy for the highest precision demands. With iTech Pro System, you can even do automated headland turns with your optional Green Star Display 2630. Thanks to Isobus, it's easy to control implements with your tractor display. JD Link, the wireless communication and information solution, helps you to stay connected with your machines. Simply log on the JD Link website to get an up-to-date overview. For instance, JD Link keeps an eye on your equipment. You can monitor where and in which fields your tractors are located. Moreover, you can analyze your machine performance like fuel consumption and optimize machine utilization. Ride smoothly with the new Active Command steering system. For improved vehicle control and less driver fatigue thanks to 75% less hand wheel movement. With dynamic stability control. Steering power that automatically adjusts to your speed. And automatic variable ratio steering. Active Command Steering System is the award-winning innovation for pioneering control. Ride securely with a rock-solid braking system. Large diameter rear disc brakes are designed for long life use in the most demanding situations. For optimal stopping power, the 8R tractor comes with front brakes in 50K transmissions and optional in 40K. Ride powerfully and efficiently. With the new PowerTech PSX engine, you get Stage 3B compliance. There is no need to add an extra fluid, thanks to cooled exhaust gas recirculation and an integrated exhaust filter. And you have up to 409 horsepower maximum power with intelligent power management. Plus, green efficiency technology, fuel economy. John Deere offers 2 outstanding transmissions, Power Shift and Auto Power. The power shift transmission with 16 forward and 5 reverse speeds delivers field-proven performance. The amazing auto power transmission ensures maximum fuel efficiency for each application. And with the auto mode, you'll always be working in the optimum. And a transport speed of 50 kilometers per hour with fuel-saving 1,700 RPM. Ride brightly with all-round 360-degree lighting, featuring up to 24 lights, with the option of top luminance xenon lights to turn night into day. All lights are easily adjusted and operated via intuitive command center display controls. Once you've driven the new 8R, you won't ever want to give it back. Ride into the future, the new John Deere 8R series tractors. John Deere.